Hello and welcome once again to Ken's review / comments with the 13 megapixel LG G Stylo camera. Right now I'm filming in the rain and I wanted to get some close-up of some items and also some close-up of the raindrops so we could see just how much definition this camera gives. Those are the raindrops. Let's get a zoom. You could get almost to the ground with that zoom there. Right in front of me, there's a building, and it's pretty big. Let's get some more walking going on here. And I am downtown right now recording because I wanted to get this phone to places where I haven't used it at, and I also wanted to make sure that you guys get a good review of this camera before you actually bought it, the phone, because I'm like that. The camera plays a major part. Look at that. As you can see, the colors from this camcorder are stunning to be 13 megapixels. As you can see the colors of the trees. I'm amazed, to say the least. Okay, let's get a shot of me. I'm amazed at this phone. Okay, and back to recording. Alright, so guys, I want to know what you think about this LG G Stylo phone. The camera is amazing for it to be a budget phone. It's only been out now since I think June, so we're talking like maybe 5 months, and it's still badass. So like this video, leave your comments, and definitely subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.